I'm going to show you 3 exercises that will get you a girlfriend. What's up guys, it's Josh from Upright Health, and if I know one thing, it's that girls don't want a guy who's walking around like this. So today we're going to go over 3 positions that are going to unlock the physique and let you stand tall like a god. So the first one that we're going to get into is the hang, okay? So with all these positions, these are just places where you want to hang out and basically let your body adjust, and it's going to unlock mobility as well as some strength, okay? So the hang is very simple. Just going to grab a bar, some rings, whatever you have. If you have some rings in your face, that's even better. And you're just going to let your torso drag down here, okay? Now let the shoulders just kind of float up towards the bar, and you're going to feel a lot of good stretching throughout your armpit area, throughout your back, maybe throughout your torso as well. Wherever you're stiff and tight and you need some relief, this is going to do it for you, okay? So hang out, see if you can work up to, just see if you can increase time, right? Working up to a minute in the hang is extremely beneficial, right? And it's actually pretty normal. So if you can only hang for like 10-15 seconds, you gotta improve that. So the next one is gonna be to sit in a squat, okay? Where shall I squat? Right here. So we're working on the ankles and the hips here, okay? Squat, very normal, natural position that everyone should be able to do, but you know, at Upright Health, we have a lot of people that come in and we ask them to sit in a squat, and it's too restricted in the ankle, too restricted in the hips. So improving this position is going to improve your hip mobility, it's going to improve your ankle mobility, which is then going to lead into, hey, now I can stand up, now I can have better posture, now I can start developing some muscles for those girls that I'm trying to attract. So number 3 position here is going to be a hinge. So we have the hang, the squat, and the hinge. So we see a lot of guys, a lot of males with really stiff hamstrings that kind of pull them down like this, and they go to bend over and it looks like this. Horrible. No. What we need to do is we need to try to extend the back, and you're just going to go as deep as you can, and I want you to just hang out here, keeping an arch in your back. Even place your hand back here to make sure that you're not starting to round, right? So the whole back, your upper back, your lower back, I want all this arched, and you're gonna feel a lot of stretch in the hammies, the glutes, probably even the calves, right? Now as you get better and we get deeper and deeper here, keeping extension, then you can start to round a little bit just to take this into a little bit deeper stretch here. But in the beginning, as you're just starting, only go as far as you can keep extension, okay? So all of these are just positions that you can do daily, and then, you know, you can just hang out there, try to accumulate some time. I'm not going to give you sets or reps or anything like that. It's just about sitting there, seeing how long you can do, and then try to improve on that. So start putting these 3 in. You're gonna walk down the street, girls are gonna be flocking, you'll get yourself a girlfriend. Who knows, by this time next year, maybe you'll be married. I don't know. You might owe it all to me. Shoot me a message, let me know how it goes. Guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Upright Health. If you want more detailed instructions on these positions, especially if you find that one or more of them is really challenging for you, we have some great, phenomenal, outstanding videos that will really guide you in using these positions to help your body. Check out the description box. As always, pain sucks, life shouldn't. But, oh well.
It don't matter.
Don't matter. Girls are gonna start flocking.
Let's try that part again. Let's try to close it again.